Good morning, friends. It's Nick Lind at Commencement Bay Brokers. It's Monday. It's June 27th. We are going to talk about the highs and lows to date in the month of June. We had a crazy run up in the market. We had interest rates rise. The market's starting to shift a little bit. We're going to talk about what that actually means for sales in the month of June. And before I start, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching these videos. The viewership on these is through the roof. If you know anybody who would benefit from learning more about Tacoma real estate, we would love to connect with them. If you pass along their email address, we will direct email them the videos. And they can also follow us on social media, which is a great way to stay in touch with what's going down in the marketplace. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we've got a great YouTube channel. So check us out there. Today, we're going to talk about the high sale, the low sale, and what homes are selling for on average in the Tacoma real estate market. The highest sale in the market to date, this is just for the month of June, not year to date, just the month of June, is a beautiful, beautiful colonial revival on North G Street by the Lawn Tennis Club, which is a very, very exclusive pocket of Tacoma. It sold for $1.875 million. For frame of reference, it's a 5-bedroom house in a very, very exclusive part of town. When I was selling houses originally, 10 years ago or so, I guess 12 years ago when I started, it was very rare to see anything selling for over $1 million. That property just sold for $1.875 million. A couple years ago, we sold the most expensive sale in Tacoma, and it closed for just shy of $2 million. We're seeing more and more houses that are selling at or near that $2 million price point, and over 13 have sold in the month of June alone that sold for over $1 million. So it seems like maybe 3 or 4 years ago, we might see $13 million sales in Tacoma the entire year. That just happened in the month of June. So sale prices are still up in that luxury and exclusive price point. The most affordable house that sold so far in the month of June caught me off guard. It was a little cutie craftsman style fixer that sold on North Stevens for $230,000. So you can see this massive range of sale prices. That one's a fixer. It's probably going to be fixed up and brought back to market and sold at a higher price, but it was sold for $230,000. So the lowest sale price in Tacoma, $230,000. The highest sale price in Tacoma, $1.875 million. I mean, that spread is massive. So that's kind of what Tacoma is. There's some very, very affordable pockets and price points. A turnkey house is probably going to run you more than $230,000 right now. But there's some very, very affordable price points, which makes it attractive to a lot of people in the region. And there's some very, very high price points in the more exclusive parts of town. The average sale price so far in the month of June in Tacoma, median average sale price is $559,000. So on average, that's what it takes to buy a house. And for frame of reference, the average list price in the month of June so far was $545,000. So on average, homes are listing at $545,000 and they're selling for $559,000. So they're selling for about 2% over asking, just on average across the board. So that says there's still low inventory. There's still a strong market, but that's a pullback a little bit from what we saw earlier in the spring. So things are definitely cooling off in general. I hope these stats were interesting and helpful. We would love to share more information with you next week. Come back and check us out. Thanks so much.